Comes in gray, buff, and black. Perfect for repairing small chips or cracked firebrick, repointing mortar joints between firebricks, and bonding firebricks together. For interior use only and requires heat to cure. Approximate coverage, 99 feet with 1/8 bead. This is our original fireplace mortar formulated especially to patch fireplace fireboxes and to bond firebrick to firebrick. Fireplace mortar is a silicate product that when fire cured, sets rock hard, as strong as firebrick itself and withstands 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. Comes in a convenient cartridge for easy repointing of fireplace brick within the firebox. Colors match most mortars. Passes ASTM E136 and E72. 10.3 ounces cartridges. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Can't buy this locally. Apparently you're not supposed to have a fireplace in Phoenix. No, really, apparently, existing ones are grandfathered in but illegal to build a wood-burning fireplace after 1985. Anyhow, our house had a lovely brick fireplace, but no doors. I was afraid to light a fire with kids and pets around and no doors to keep either away and safe. After living here for 15 years we finally put beautiful fire doors in at Christmas but were unable to buy the fireplace mortar locally. Amazon to the rescue. I like that the gray perfectly blends with the mortar between the bricks. We did light a fire about 7 days after install. That was the first no-burn day. To cure the mortar as per the instructions on the tube, I seem to recall the instructions require you to burn a fire within 30 days of install. Looks great, and it's sealed. No wisps of smoke sneaking out of the seams.